Alright guys, today I'm giving you a review on this Too Much Fun OPOPS. These are extra virgin olive oil and sea salt. Check it. So it has chia, flax, quinoa, and that's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video. So we're going to do a quick taste test on it. Okay, so check it out. It is organic. It is gluten-free and non-GMO. So let's open this up and show you what it looks like. Looks like those crispy mini things that you usually get. So it tastes like a it literally tastes like a crunchier version, a more flattened version of like a crispy mini. Very crunchy. It's sort of like a popcorn snack almost. You get the crunch of the little chia seeds and flax as well, and quinoa. Definitely check it out. It's lightly salted. Yeah, not bad. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.